Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside YouTube Music. Open the app or go to Music. YouTube, calm and sign in. Once done, focus on the search field at top. Type artist, song, album, or lyrics. Use the mic icon to sing or say titles for faster results. Make sure you pick the correct region or language in settings if a track seems missing, because regional differences affect availability. Now tap Results to preview. Keep listening to verify it's the right version before saving or adding to a playlist. Now refine results so you find the exact recording you want. Use the tabs, songs, albums, artists, playlists, videos to narrow categories and add keywords like live, remix, year, or official to target versions. You can search with quotes for exact phrases or use a minus sign to exclude words that clutter results. When you find a match, check the release info and uploader for authenticity. If it's a playlist, sample multiple tracks to confirm consistent quality before following or saving it to your library. Finish by organizing and ensuring access when you need it. Tap the plus or like to add songs to library, create playlists for sets, and download tracks for offline listening. Once downloaded, manage storage and offline settings in the app so downloads don't use all space. If a song isn't available, make sure your region settings are correct, clear the app cache, and update to the latest version. If that fails, try alternate spellings or search the artist plus label to locate uploads that match the official release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.